Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up tax loss harvesting and optimize taxes via Fidelity. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is prepare your information. Before starting, have Fidelity brokerage account with taxable investments, list of current holdings like stock, ETFs and mutual funds, and income and tax bracket info optional. So next is to simply head over and open up a browser, then on the search bar type in Fidelity Planning and Tools. Then once the search result loads, on the Fidelity link you'll find a list of all tools and calculators. Simply select that, then that will lead you to the list of tools and calculators. All you gotta do is just simply scroll down until you find the option that says tax harvesting tool or tax loss harvesting tool. Simply tap on that. Now, once you're inside there, all you gotta do is log in with your username and ID. Then on the accounts, what you need to do is select planning and guidance. Inside, what you need to do is view eligible positions. Fidelity will show you ticker symbol, current loss amount, and potential tax benefit. Decide which positions you want to sell to harvest losses. Avoid wash sales and don't buy the same or substantially identical security within 30 days before or after the sale. The next step is to execute the trades. Select the positions to sell. Fidelity may suggest replacement investments to maintain your portfolio allocation. Confirm the trade in the app or the website. The next step is to track your harvested loss. Fidelity will update your tax loss harvesting summary, and you can see the total loss harvested and impact on the capital gains tax. And now all you gotta do is optimize taxes further by considering holding long-term investments for lower tax rates, use gains and losses strategically across multiple accounts, and consult Fidelity tax planning tools or advisors for personal strategies. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.